At least 6, right? So you don't need to worry about not having enough cookies of any type, right? So basically, the idea is like this. You have 6 cookies, right? So all you have to do is decide out of these which ones are going to be peanut butter, which ones are going to be chocolate chip, and which ones are going to be oatmeal, right? So you could say like this is chocolate chip territory, and then this is peanut butter. These are peanut butter ones, and I don't know how to draw a peanut butter cookie. They're brown. I don't know. What? Alright. As you can see, they have the letter P. Therefore, they're peanut butter cookies. And then the last one is going to be an oatmeal cookie. You can tell it's an oatmeal cookie because it has a sad face on it. Because it's an oatmeal cookie. No one likes oatmeal cookies. So the idea behind stars and bars, right, is if you have like a group of objects and you have to divide those objects into different types, then you can pretend, like, just make things simple. Usually it's called stars and bars because they represent them using, instead of cookies, you just have stars. I don't know why. And then bars, right? So these bars are what divide them. So basically, if you have 3 different like types that you have to divide them to, then like how many dividers do you need? 2, right? You just have 2 dividers for the 3 different types. So then you have 6 stars. They're really cookies, but, and then 2 bars, yeah. So then all you have to do, right, is now you have to choose how many ways are there for us to put these bars, right? Now so it's A choose 2 because you can have a territory that you can have like a type with like 0 cookies. Like for example, say there were 4 peanut butter and like pretend like this is like a happier scenario where there are no oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal cookies do not exist. So then the last one is at the end, right? So you can put these 2 dividers anywhere. So basically the easiest way is to, you have 8 things total, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you just have to choose 2 of those to be the bars, right? And then the rest of them will be stars. So it's equal to just 8 choose 2. We're using a notation that we showed you last time, which is equal to 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial, 2's factorial, which is, or a lot easier is just 8 ways times 7 divided by 2, right? Because the order of dividers doesn't really matter. All dividers look the same. So yeah, that's basically it. Once you calculate this, it comes out to 28 different possibilities. And yeah, once you know this stars and bars trick, you can use it for a bunch of different problems. Another thing is that if everyone has to have at least 1, then you can also imagine there as being 7 spaces between each of the bars, right? You have 6 stars, so in between you have 5 spaces, right? So then all you have to do is just have like 5 choose 2, I think. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You have 28 different ways to have the cookies, and you can do this, and the way you do this is actually applicable to a lot of problems. So remember that. Stars and bars, except here the stars are cookies. And bars